Hi everybody, myself Venkat. My channel Screen Making and Screen Printing. Today the topic is the poor man's of the living in the small scale sector, the business of project. Here is screen printing. Please subscribe my channel Screen Making and Screen Printing. Click bell icon, watch, not miss latest videos and updates. So let's go see this box. It is the poor man's how to do the photo emulation exposing box. So many people are here investing different types of the boxes. Those people are small boxes, and those people are investing big boxes, and those are medium boxes. But the low level poor man's how to do in the screen exposing and screen making. In this situation, I will show it is box of here is the box. See this, here is the box, the hole. See this, the center hole. This head box. Here is consumer stores and available in oil and access biscuit packets. There should be the bulk bundles sending in transporting using boxes. In this box, here it is center, create one small hole, and after that supporting to insert in thermocol. See this? What's this? This thermocol. In this thermocol to insert tape. Here it is closed and put on outside. Means the lower peoples are using this type of material. Here it is how to the needles. This needles inserting. Here it is to the two-way of inserting stapler. This stapler, two-way of stapler inserting. After that is one-way attaching the cloth mesh. After that pulling reverse side, then given the tight, the mesh is totally tight. After that keeping these pins. So one more time I will showing complete video. Here it is explaining the screen how to making in this poor man's the living of the exposing box. After that, inserting in this mess, we are applying coating solution. Here it is using different materials. It is available in poor living villages. Here is available in poor living villages the materials how to apply in low cost of the screen exposing to even coating solution. Here it is using one more bond channel is Fevicol gum. In this Fevicol gum is available any villages. Here it is. Here it is PVA powder. In this PVA powder, boiling water. After that, mixing the powder. Here it is developing this type of liquid paste. One more powder is bichromate. In this bichromate, it is mixing in water, pure drinking water. After that, these the 2 packets of mixing in this bichromate liquid. First, take a bowl, in this bowl. I will okay some of Fevicol bond. It is used into doors, woods, and different applying in the paste of painting of wall. Watch this. Okay. Some quality in one screen, and after that mixing in EVA, the equal quantity. But these both are is equal quantity, but dichromatic is only for half of 10 drops, half of liquid. With this, much good rub is enough. This is no bubble. We are mixing these three liquid paste. Here watching, see this bubbles are is removing. So these bubbles are removing to mixing in three chemicals. These paste to see this applying here. Applying here mess. Why is it low level, low cost of in this scale to directly afford the potentiation in the applying inside of also one more time and again one more time. In case potentiation is completed. After that, in this coating solution, go to dark room and try in fan. Okay, definitely I will show how to try in this.